If you want to clone WhatsApp on Google Pixel 10 Pro, the easiest way to set up the duplicated version of the app is by using the private space. Unfortunately, there is no dedicated feature on Google Pixel 10 Pro that allows us to quickly duplicate an app, therefore we need to use the private space. We're going to use this search bar at the top in order to write private space and then tap on it. Verify yourself with the screen lock password or biometric. And then over here we have the setup. We just need to press setup in the bottom right corner. The private space is pretty much like a separate environment. It's like having a phone within a phone where everything that we have inside of the private space is completely separated from everything that we have outside of it. So you can install multiple, well, not maybe not multiple, but you can install the same app once again, which also includes WhatsApp, and you can also use a different data on that app inside of the private space because simply it is completely separated. And we also can use a Google account, of course, in order to be able to go to the Play Store. So let me quickly sign into my account. After that, we're going to agree to Google Terms of Service. And then we can either create a new password for the private space, or you can use the same one that we use for our phone. So in this case, I just care about duplicating the app, so I'm just going to use the same password that I use on my phone. And we should be able to be all set up afterwards. So let's press done. Now we're going to scroll down in order to find the private space. We can tap on this lock on the right side in order to unlock the private space. Now we're going to press install over here to open the Play Store. And this Play Store is the Play Store of the private space. So you will be able to install WhatsApp once again, even if you already have it on your phone. So as you can see over here, I can press install. And then if we go back to the app drawer, you'll notice that I have WhatsApp over here in the private space as well as outside of it. And this file, this app, is using different data. So you can use a different account in this app than in this one. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.